Ever wondered what's the best compliment to give a woman? Ever wondered or thought why some compliments put a smile on a woman's face and then other compliments make her feel flat? Well, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you the best compliment that will make a woman think about you non-stop. I'm not talking about telling her that she's pretty. I'm talking about going deeper than that. I am talking about how you can actually leave a lasting impression and stand out from the other men out there that are in the dating scene. If you're new to my channel, my name is Stefania Pulau from The Gentleman's Square, and I am a dating and relationship coach for high-achieving men who want to attract their ideal woman. But before I continue, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you get all my weekly videos and all my latest downloads. So, what are the best compliments to give a woman and leave her wanting more of you because you just know how to make her feel just with your compliments? Well, it's all about the art of making a lasting impression on a woman that you've just met or that you're going on a date with. As a high-achieving man or a high-value man, I'm sure you're naturally drawn to women who exude confidence, elegance, and really take serious care of themselves, right? So when you find yourself in the presence of a woman who absolutely looks stunning and is oozing with feminine energy, it's essential to let her know how much you appreciate her efforts. Now, believe me when I tell you, women adore compliments, and especially when it comes from a place of sincerity and genuine admiration. Because remember, it's not what you say, it's how you make her feel when you say it. And one of the best compliments you can actually start with, and that won't come across creepy or sleazy, is by acknowledging her radiant skin, or maybe her shiny hair, or whatever hairstyle she has. Something physical, but not her body. Show her that you notice that she's taken the time and the effort and she's invested in her appearance. When you do this, watch her eyes light up with delight. But don't stop there. Take your curiosity to the next level. Getting to know her beauty regime. Ask her about her favorite skincare products, her hair care tips, and maybe her beauty rituals. Not only does this show genuine interest in her well-being, but it also sets you apart from all the rest of the men that are out there. That's right. Now there's nothing wrong with giving her physical compliments. Let me tell you, she probably gets bombarded all the time about how pretty she is or what a great body she has. But this type of compliment is going to go a little deeper with your curiosity. And the secret is to be genuine when you actually say it. Remember, it's all about how you make her feel. And who knows, your genuine curiosity and thoughtful compliments could pave the way for exciting future dates. Imagine whisking her away to a luxurious beauty spa for the day of pampering, or maybe indulging in a cozy beauty date night at home with complete facials, massages, and with that whole romantic ambience. It's a perfect recipe for sparking chemistry and igniting that fiery connection that's sure to leave her irresistibly attracted to you. So, my friend, embrace the power of genuine compliments and curiosity, and watch as you effortlessly stand out from the crowd of men who are probably just boring and not interesting at all. Your attention to detail and appreciation for her beauty will leave a lasting impression that won't soon be forgotten. Want to know more ways on how to attract your ideal woman? Well, I have a free guide on the 5 keys to attract your ideal partner. It is a guide to avoiding all the pitfalls while dating. Just look down below for the description and you can click the link and download yourself a free copy. Now, if you like this video, please press like, share it with your friends, and please leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And until next time, I send you love and I send you passion. Bye for now.